Okay, let us see my examples. Okay, here we have a particle of mass 0.5 kilograms is moving with a velocity u equal to that, and after an impulse of I equal to this, it moves with a velocity v, find v. So they have to start, they are giving us impulse, they are giving us mass, and then they are giving us some velocity. So they are going to use the idea that our impulse is equal to the change in momentum. Hope remember that our I is equal to mv minus mu. But it's that our m is common, which is the same as m into v minus u. So in this we have this, and this. So our I from here, which is 3, if I write it, so my I, okay, my I, so it's going to be v minus u. So my I, vector form, 311 equal to 0.5 into v, then minus u, which is going to be the initial velocity, which is 6, -7. So from here, if I open brackets there, I'm going to be having 311 equal to 2, or if I get this 0.5 is the same as I have, and I'm multiplying the side. So multiply here by 2, and then here by 2. Okay, this is the same as a half into v minus 6 -7. So multiply this side by 2, so shall be adding v minus 6, 7. -7. So now, when we simplify this, we shall get 622. When we bring this to the side, then plus 6, then -7 equal to our v. And from there, it's that our v is going to be this plus this. We get a 12, and then this plus this, we shall get a positive 15. So now our v in vector form is 12i plus 15j meters per second. As simple as that. So after that, when we come to this, a body of mass 5 kilograms moving with a velocity of 80 meters per second collides. Remember this is a collision. We start to summarize our question. So we have m1 equaling to 5 kgs. Then u1 moving at a velocity of 8 meters per second collides with the body of mass. So m2 here is 3 kilograms moving at a velocity. Our u2 here is going to be 4 meters per second. Before collision, it's always these are initial velocities. So if after collision, now that's when we get these or final velocities. So after collision, they move together, find their new velocity. So that is we are doing the inelastic collision, where when they collide, they remain together. So there the formula we are going to use, our v1 is going to be equal to v, and also our v2 is going to be equal to v, because after collision, they move together. If they move together, it means that they are going to be having the same velocity. So from m1, u1, m2, u2 equal to m1 plus m2 into v, inelastic collision. So our m1, we have 5 into 8 plus 3 into 4 equal to 5 plus 3 into v. So this is going to be 40 plus 12. That's going to give us 52 equal to 8v. And so from here, our v is going to be 5.2 divided by 8. Yeah, 6.5 meters per second. So that's the energy velocity. Okay, if you come to this now, a body of mass 200 grams, so then when you see grams, we convert them to standard units. Moving with the velocity of this is acted on by a force that for 3 seconds changing its velocity to that. Find the values of A and B. So in our solution, our M is in grams, which we are going to say is going to be 200 over 1,000. Now, so our N is 0.2. Now in kilograms, there is mine. So they are giving us our U. So they are giving us U as they are giving them in the vector form 3, -9. Then our exchange the velocity to this, which is -3. Then it was acted on by a force. Our force is B. So we have V, we have U, we have F, we have mass. What do you think we are going to use? The Newton's second law, equal to ma. So our acceleration is the change in velocity over time. So our F from here is going to be m. Okay, m into v minus c over t. Acceleration is the change in velocity over time. So from there we have everything now. So we just substitute into that formula. So from there, my A, B, our force is equal to the mass 0.2 into now we have V, which is going to be, okay, let me use square brackets outside. I have my V, which is -3, then minus my U, which is 3, -9, this U. The whole, remember, I'm dividing with T. My T. This force factored on it for 3 seconds over 3. So from there, so my A, B will be 0.2 over 3 into, let us simplify this, -3 minus 3, that will be -6, then 3 minus 9, that will be a 12. So if you multiply and divide through by 3, this will give us 0.2 into 3 goes here, -2, and the 3 goes here, 4 times. So meaning, from there, our A, B will be equal to 0.2 times this, get -0.4, the 0 point that, you get 0.8. So therefore, our A is -0.4, our B will be 0.8. They ask you for that force, now you give it in the IJ equation. So that's how we handle those questions. I wish you well.